Want more customers, leads and sales from Instagram? In this video, learn exactly how to run Instagram ads for any business or service in 2025. Step-by-step guide, simple language and real examples. By end of this video, there will be ready to use ad plan which you can use to run ads on your products, services or any local business. So Instagram ads work for physical products, services, digital products and local businesses. The key is a clear offer and a simple message. So before running ads, do these basic steps. First, convert your Instagram account into a business or professional Instagram account. So how to do this? You have to go to your settings, account page and switch to professional and convert your personal account into a business account. And then you have to create a Facebook page using the Instagram account and then connect it. So I have already connected my Instagram and Facebook account. So once your Facebook and Instagram account is connected, so you can go to business.facebook.com and then you can check whether your Facebook or Instagram is connected. If you're able to see both the logos, that means your account is connected. Then you can see Ads Manager on the sidebar. Click on that and open Billings and Payments. So once you open this, so once you click on billing, you can see an option to add a payment method. So click on that and then select your payment method and add a payment method. So you can also add your GST details or any company details to claim your GST input. So once this is done, you can come back to your businessfacebook.com. Now go to your Ads Manager account overview. So once you're done, now it's time to start creating a campaign. Go to your sidebar and click on campaigns. Then click on a create campaign. The first step to create a campaign is to create the campaign objective. So the objective should match the business goal. Pick one goal per campaign. So if you're launching a new brand, choose awareness. So for example, grand opening in Bangalore, see what's coming, something like this. Then you can select awareness. If you want more visitors for your website, then you can choose traffic. For building social proof and followers, you can select this campaign. So leads is for services business. Example, if you are running a salon bookings, gym trials, real estate inquiries, then you can select leads. If you want users to install your app, then you can select app promotions. If you want to bring sales for your Shopify website or e-commerce website, then you have to click on sales. Let me tell you a simple rule. If you have a website and it's checkout ready, then you can go directly for sales. If you don't have a website and you want inquiries, you can go for leads. If you have a new page but you have low content, then you can select engagement. If you have created a new page with low content, then you can select engagement. So in this example, I'm going to select leads because I want to sell my Shopify service. So if you want a Shopify website, portfolio website or a business website, do contact me. I'll be pasting my link in the description. You can message me directly. So once you're done, you can click next. So Facebook has its own AI, that is Advantage Plus. So this model will automatically generate the audience for you. But I don't like this because I like to select my audience manually. So once you're done clicking continue, you will see this page. Just give a name for your campaign. So I will give sell Shopify website service. So once you have given the name, you can scroll down and there is something called as special category. If you belong to any of these categories, that means you have to go additional verification in order to complete your ads process. But I am not belonging to any of these services, so I will choose next. So once you click next, you will see this screen. So there is an option to give an ad set name. I can understand if you're seeing this screen for the first time, you will be confused. So let me explain you a few concepts here. So there are three concepts that you need to understand before creating an ad. So there is one called as campaign and another called as ad set and another is ad. So we already created a campaign. What does a campaign mean? Campaign, we define the goal of the ad. That's it. So it's a awareness, it's a traffic ad or any kind of ad. We define the goal. The next step is to define the ad set. So there can be multiple ad sets. So what does an ad set mean? So ad set means who sees the ad and where it appears, Facebook or Instagram. You can also select budget and schedule in ad set. So these all things you can have it in an ad set. So one campaign can have multiple ad sets. So if you have understood these three things, then creating an ad is very simple. So now go back to Ads Manager. Now give a ad set a name. So I will give a name something like this, Shopify ad set. So once you have given a name, scroll down. So once you scroll down, you can see conversion location. You can select whether the customer should redirect to website, instant forms, messenger, Instagram, or they should call you. So you can select any one of this, and I want to get more calls. So I'll be selecting calls here. Scroll down. Then you can set a daily budget. So I've set 800. So if you have a different business, then you can set based on this idea. So if you're a starter, then you consider these points. So if you're running ads for a local service, then you can spend around 200 to 500 per day. If you're running an e-commerce business, then it's around 500 to 1000 goes well for this. And if you're running a high ticket service business where it's very hard to get clients, then you can set 500 to 1500. So let me go back. I will set 800, then scroll down, then set the start date when it should start. If you think that the ad should start around 6 p.m. in the evening, then you can start that. But I'll be starting my ad instantly. You can also select the end date, but I don't need that. I don't want to set the end date, but you can set your end date here. Then you can scroll down. So now in this section, you can add the location as well. For example, if you're running a local business and if you want to run ads for a specific location, you can select the location and you can type the location here. Like example, Bangalore, and you can set the radius, whatever radius you want. For example, you want to run ads for people living in Bangalore around 23 kilometers. You can set this. So you can select this audience section manually just by selecting edit. But the problem is what to select. So how do you figure out what to select? So I have a very good idea for this. Either you can select it manually or you can use Advantage Plus AI, which Facebook has created for you to automatically create the audience. But I don't prefer this. I prefer my own approach. To make your life very simple, I have created a prompt for you guys. So copy this prompt. I'll be pasting the link of this Notion link in the description. Make sure you copy this prompt and come to Perplexity and paste it. Then you need to replace the product service with your product. So I will give the name as Shopify website development. Then I want to target it for India. So just replace these two things. Then make sure to select this research icon here. Then start researching. So it will take around 10 minutes to do the research for you and select the best audience for your product or service. Perplexity nailed it. It did the research and it gave me a proper audience for my ad. So you can see the ad should be the age. It has given 25 to 37, gender male, detail targeting, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento. So just copy all this and try to edit it here. So let me select 18 to 37. So based on your product, you can change accordingly. Sometimes the Perplexity might not give you the accurate one, but you can give proper prompts to enhance the audience. So click on the gender and select the gender male. Then you can click on detail targeting. Then you can select the targeting Shopify and paste it here. Then select it. Similarly, you can add more detailed targeting. So I'll be selecting one, but you need to copy all of this and paste it there. Once you're done with this, you have to scroll down. So if your ad is related to stock market, security or investments, you have to select this and you have to go for additional verification. So this is mandatory if you're staying in India or some countries where these things are mandatory. So then click next. So once you have done creating the ad set, now the final step is to create the ad. So just give the name Shopify ad or give your own name, whatever service you're running ad on. for my service, it's basically a Shopify ad. So I'll be selecting Shopify. So once you're done, scroll down. So scroll down to ad set, then you can select create ad, or you can also select boost post if you have already uploaded the poster. But I have not uploaded a poster, so I'll select create ad. Then I can set up my creative. The creative is nothing but your poster or the video that you want to show here. So I'll be selecting image ad. So where can I get this image? So move to Canva, and then you can select templates and you can search Instagram ads. So you'll get a lot of free posters here, right? So you can click any of this, then customize this template and add your images and change the title accordingly. Then you can click download here. Once you download, you can upload it here. So I have already designed my poster, but I didn't use Canva. I have used Chatgpt to design my poster. So if you give a nice prompt, it will give you a nice designed poster, so which you can upload directly. But if you have a video which you have recorded already, you can upload it. So I will click upload image and I will select my ad. You can give a text, but I don't want to do anything. I'll select done. So once you're done, you can give a primary text, maybe build your Shopify store in 7 days, something like that. So once you're done uploading the poster and creating the caption, then you can select the call to action button. So I'll just select maybe send a message, Instagram message. So I want users to send me an Instagram message. So then I can select this, and you have other buttons as well. So based on your requirement, you can select this, then scroll down, then you can select the tracking. So if you have a website, then you want to set up pixel, metapixel code, then you can do these things here. But I will be not explaining these things because it will be out of the scope. But if you think I should upload a video on this, please comment that you guys want a video on this. I'll surely make a video and upload it here. Then if you're done, now time to start running the ads. So you can see how the ad is looking here. So I'll create publish and it will start publishing the ad. So once you publish the ad, it will go in draft, and after some time it will go for processing. So once it's processing, maybe it will take 1 more hour, or sometimes it takes 24 hours if it's a new account. So once the status has changed to active, your ad will be start running. If it's rejected, you might have to make some changes and publish. So this is how you create and run an ad in Instagram. So this same approach can be followed to run ad on Facebook as well. And you can also run ad both on Facebook and Instagram together at the same time. This was a complete tutorial how to run ads for your Facebook or Instagram page. So hope you like this video. If you want to run ads for your business and if you're finding it difficult, you can contact me on Instagram. I'll be sharing my Instagram link on the description. Please message me if you want services related to performance marketing, website, or any other solutions. So like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends who needs more clients. And if you want some help, you can message me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.